I'm so sick and tired of this cold. This is how I know that my wiper blades are pretty much done. Look at this. See all those streaks? It blocks my view whenever I'm driving. Especially literally right here, this strip right here. So it is time to change my windshield wipers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a wiper blade install for your Honda Civic. Let's go. Before we get started, I want to apologize to you guys since there is a lack of content on the channel. Well, that's because it's been way too cold. This winter season has been super brutal. We've had snow almost every single day and below freezing temperatures since the beginning of January. So it's really hard for me to work on the car or actually make videos in the freezing cold because I am not a cold lover. I like warmth, I like no snow, and this season has just been super brutal. Like the other day, it was -7 degrees out, and it's been like that since the whole month of January. And we've had snow almost every single day here, so it's been pretty rough. It's been a rough winter, so that's why there hasn't been any content on the channel. It's because I've just been staying inside the whole time. But yeah, since today it was above freezing for the first time in, it feels like forever, I decided to do just a regular maintenance video for your Honda Civic. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are experiencing some wiper wear and tear, depending on where you're from because of all the ice on your windshield and all that. So I decided to, why not make a video? So the windshield wipers that I got are both from Rain-X. One is a 26 inches. This one goes on the driver's side, and then the other is a 18-inch wiper blade. And you can pretty much find these anywhere. I decided to go with Amazon, which I'll be linking down below in the description. I found out that Amazon sold them cheaper, whereas if I went to AutoZone or any auto parts store, they charge almost double. And installing this is fairly simple. It's probably one of the simplest things that you can do by yourself. So first of all, grab your wipers, put them up. So you're basically gonna go here. And if you go under here, there's like a little clip. Since it is kind of cold out, this might be frozen. Today's sponsor is from Vitamin Energy, and they were kind enough to sponsor this video. With less daylight during the wintertime, I tend to feel tired around 5 p.m. and that's when it starts to get dark. My body's basically telling me that it's time for bed. But with this product from Vitamin Energy, it really helped keep my energy levels high. As it provides up to 7 hours of energy, this little shot has 260 milligrams of natural caffeine. It's keto friendly, and it also has added vitamins for boosting your immune system. Not to mention, it's also non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, and 0 sugar. I also tend to take this in the morning, or if I have a meeting, or if I just need a boost of energy throughout the day, I take little sips of this. They come in little shot bottles. I've seen them everywhere, especially at your local pharmacies like CVS, Walgreens. This little shot bottle has 1.93 ounces of just pure caffeine, and it's enough to give you a 7-hour energy boost. And if you're interested in this product, I will be linking it down below in my description. Thank you, Vitamin Energy, for sponsoring this video. So this is all metal, and if for some reason this goes down like that, comes crashing down your windshield, it can cause your windshield to crack. So it's better to be safe than sorry. So put a microfiber towel or some sort of mat, in this case my dog cover, my seat cover for my dogs, and it's just this clip right here that you have to push down on. So once you press this clip, then you're able to slide your wiper blades down. Once you're able to slide it down all the way. See, just like that. That's how you take off your stock windshield wiper blades. And as you can see, this is from Mitsuba. Then you're gonna grab your Rain-X or your new wiper blade. You're gonna locate the side where the clip is. In this case, you can easily just pull this up like that, this middle part like that. The clip is right here. Remember the clip from before? See how there's like a little hook here and there's like a little square? So basically just gonna align it. I like to fold this like that so that we can insert the hook like so. Once it's in, turn the wiper blade like that, and then you're just gonna snap it on until you hear a snap. There you go. Test it to see if it's on, which it is, and that's how you change your wiper blade. We're gonna do the same thing on the passenger side. Passenger side uses 18, driver side uses 26. And it's, like I said, it's really simple. It took me like 2 minutes. Okay. As you can see, this is peeling off because of how worn it is. It has been a brutal winter this year. So same thing with this one. You're just gonna find the clip, push down, just like that. Easy. There you go. Cool. That's in, and that's it. Done. Let's take a look at these wiper blades. Alright, so do not throw away your stock wiper blade because you can actually refill this, at least with the Type R wiper blade. Now if you flip it over to where this rubber piece is, you can actually slide this off and put in a new rubber piece. It's a lot easier if you were to take the wiper blade itself off of your car to do this. And to do this, if you look at the wiper blade, so there should be an arrow on one of the sides, on one of the ends of the blade. So if you look right here, there's no arrow. Oh, here it is. Let me just flip it over. So as you can see, there is an arrow right there. It's very faint since these are pretty old wiper blades. Hold on, let's see if I can focus. There you go, right there. So the arrow is pointing that way. And then if you look over here on the other side, there is no arrow. So only one side is where you'll have access to take this off. So basically, since the arrow is pointing that way, take the end and slide it. And as you can see, there's like a little space right there. So just slide it until it pops out. Oof, I just broke it. Yeah, so since these are old wiper blades, this is gonna happen, but I'm just gonna do this, use my thumb and just kind of just slide it over. It's gonna be a little tough, but it should be easy. Alright, so should looks like this. So it should look like this now since we slid it over. And then you're gonna wanna pop this out like that. And as you can see, there's like a little stopper at the end. So that's preventing it from sliding all the way that way or sliding that way. So basically, once you take this stopper out, you just pop it up like that. And now you can pull. Now you can pull this rubber out so that you can replace it with a new one. So it pops out like that. So this is what it looks like. So you can go ahead and get like a refill. It's pretty inexpensive, $17.99. Plus if you apply a 25% coupon, you get 25% off. So pretty good deal if you ask me. Once you buy like a new blade for it, like a new rubber piece, you're basically just gonna do everything but in reverse order, obviously. So basically take this, just pretend this is a new piece. Take this, the fatter end, you see how it's like a little bit chunky? So this end, and you just insert it here, only where the side where there's an arrow. So you just insert it like so, and then you just slide it in. All the way, just like that. Okay, so now it looks like this. Just pretend this is a new rubber piece. So if you look over here, it is not locked in place. So with locking this in place, you're gonna need to slide this even more over here. So grab the end and just kind of just push it until it goes in, just like that. Okay, and then once it goes in, you're gonna take this piece, because now there's like excess like right here. Take this piece and then slide it up, just like that, until it clicks into place. And that's how you replace your Mitsuba blade, for those of you who are wondering. And then you're just going to install this onto your car. Again, do not throw this away if you want to keep your stock blades. If you want to keep the stock look of the car, just buy replacement rubber blades. But yeah, guys, I have so many plans. I have a lot of videos lined up, and hopefully when it starts to get warm, hopefully soon, I know it's only the end of January, going into February, but hopefully it starts getting warm soon. That way I can continue making videos for you guys. I think I haven't made a video since New Year's, so it's been quite a while. It's been 4 years, not 4 years, it's been 4 weeks. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot of mods that are going to happen as soon as the weather warms, not only for the 11th gen, but also for the Type R. So stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time, and peace out.